Welcome to this hands-on tutorial on image classification using OpenVINO. In this session, we'll use a pre-trained MobileNet v3 model to classify images into one of the many ImageNet classes. So image classification is a foundational AI task used across various industries from healthcare to retail and content recommendation. Not just that, simply put, image classification is about identifying what an image is showing, like saying this is a cat or this is a dog. Unlike in object detection, which we saw in our previous hands-on tutorial, it identifies and locates multiple objects within an image, basically it detects. So the image classification focuses on recognition of just one main object or category in the entire image. And that's the major difference between classification and detection. OpenVINO plays a pivotal role in optimizing these kinds of image classification models for faster inference, ensuring they can be deployed in real-time scenarios. So again, in this notebook, if you see, we have the regular steps like importing the model, downloading the specific image classification model, building the inference pipeline, before which we will define or select the device on which the inference need to run, and then finally doing the inference itself. These are the common steps across OpenVINO notebook tutorials. First, we need to set up our environment in the installation step by installing OpenVINO along with some additional Python packages. And this step is necessary to run our classification model smoothly using OpenVINO's powerful optimization tools. In the next step, so as you see, the model is being downloaded and optimization is key here as it allows us to run the model efficiently, especially when dealing with real-time applications. With the model ready, our next step is to choose the inference device, and OpenVINO gives us the flexibility to run our model on various devices, such as CPUs, GPUs, and auto, as you see here on the screen. By auto, the automatic device selection mode, it selects the processing unit for inference automatically, which means it detects available devices, picks the one best suited for the task, and configure its optimization settings. It's as simple as that because it's powerful because the person who's running it need not be an expert in hardware. So that's where this comes handy. This way, we can write the application once and deploy it anywhere, and choosing the appropriate device can significantly impact the speed and performance of these kind of AI models that we are trying to deploy. At this stage, we are going to load a pre-trained model into memory, and this is done using OpenVINO's read model function. The read model function is essential as it interprets the model's architecture and weights from the provided XML file, making it ready for the next step in our workflow. Once the model is downloaded, we then use the compile model function. This function is key because it optimizes the model for the specific hardware you're running it on, whether it's a CPU, GPU, or even an NPU. This compilation step is what allows OpenVINO to deliver the high performance inference that it's known for. After the model is prepared, we load the image we want to classify, and the loaded image will be fed into the model to predict its corresponding class. And this is the image with the dog that we'll be using in order to, predict which class it belongs to using the image classification model. Once everything is set up, we will do the inference, which is the final step, and the model will analyze the image and predict its class from the predefined categories. This step is critical for understanding the model's performance and accuracy. So to wrap up, we'll actually visualize here the classification result by displaying uh, the class it belongs to, which is the predicted label based on the input image that we have given. And this visualization helps us verify the model's working. and how the model interprets the image. So we are at the final part. So this tutorial showcases the power of OpenVINO in optimizing image classification models for real-time deployment. By leveraging pre-optimized IR models and the Intel hardware, we can achieve fast and accurate classifications, making OpenVINO an essential tool for developers working in AI. And for those of you who are wondering what was the label that has been predicted, it has correctly identified that the dog in the image is not just a dog but a retriever. So, thank you. I hope you learned something from the tutorial that we saw today.